Okay, we're recording. My name is Rose. Right now we are playing the game. Why is it not letting me move? What the heck?
You have to use the arrow.
Okay, I fixed it. There we go.
Hello, guys. Oh.
Yep. Game starting. Okay, so right now we're playing like color block. Cyan. Okay, so this one's a cyan color. So, and this is Jack right there.
Hi. You guys know me.
Red. Go on red. Go on red.
That's the weirdest sound I've ever made.
This is my new character. I just got this.
Purple.
Like account, so I'm not gonna have the best outfits.
Yeah, I'm gonna give her Robux sometime.
No, Jack!
Okay, orange. Right here, you're right on an orange.
Oh, I was? Okay. Yep, Jack is still here. I did not think he was still here. Come on, Jack. We gotta get second or third, okay? I gotta get third. Come on, go.
Pink.
Pink.
Another pink.
It's a light pink. Did you get a light pink?
Yeah, I got one.
Good. Go.
I'm running over to you. Come on. I found an orange. We're
No!
Sorry!
We lost. It's okay.
Did you die too?
Yeah. That's okay. We can just do it next time, okay?
It's a different version this time.
Yeah.
Rose, where are you? Oh. Where are
Circle ones are like really hard.
Hi, Rose.
Hey. Okay, yellow, go.
I'm on the yellow.
Me too. Yay! God, we're doing so good, right?
Pink. I've never actually played this game before.
No, I failed! I lost.
I'm still in.
Jack, win this. Join game. E, okay. Dang it, I have to pay. Dang it, I was just gonna join the game.
I'm here. Red.
Go, Jack, I can't see you. Oh, I see you. Come on, Jack, go. Brown, go. Go. There's one up front. Go. Good.
Am I the only one?
Purple, go. Good. Okay.
Am I the only one?
Mm-hmm.
So not happening.
You're gonna win either way unless you die.
Can you see me?
This is Jack, like right there, guys, okay?
I'm a little dot.
Yeah, she's right there. He's right there. Oh, where'd he
Yeah,
go?
my avatar is a gem ribbon
There we
version
go.
of me. Pink.
Right there, okay? Right there, guys. Okay.
I'm jumping.
Yep, we see you. Alright, go. Blue, dark blue. Are you on a dark blue or okay, good. That's Jack right there, guys, okay? Orange, go. Good. Jack has to win this, you guys, okay? Definitely. Okay.
Please ignore my family down there. Yeah, we're at my house.
Yeah.
I won! I think I won.
No. Oh, yeah, you did.
What do you mean? I didn't see myself.
You're not going to. 3, 2, 1.
Let's go! Rose, where are you?
Okay, I'm here.
Hi.
I'm right here, okay? Let's go.
Let's stay together this time.
Okay. Yellow. Right here. There's one right here. No, we have to go farther. Oh, God, you got that just in time. Red. We have to go far. We have to go far, okay? 1, jump. Jack, did you lose?
Yes!
No. I need you.
I'm watching. Pick are you?
I'm right here. Jumping.
I see ya. I'm watching ya. I'm
2,
watching
1.
you every
Oh,
move.
God. No, I have to get second. I have to get second or third. Come on. Go.
We actually just made Rose's avatar.
Yeah, we just made it.
Also, this video is not going to be uploaded on my channel. Because it's on Rose's
It's going to be
point of view.
uploaded on mine.
Because it's on Rose's point of view, so it's kind of only...
I got second.
Rose is second!
Oh my God.
Congratulations!
I'm so happy. Oh my God, I did not think that would happen. Sorry about my squeal. I do that when I'm very excited. This is my new character, and this is Jax. Okay. Oh, dang it, this one sucks.
I hate it.
I'm so excited. Let's see if I can get
Cyan!
first. Go. Cyan. This one, go. Where are you?
Right here.
Did you seriously lose?
I'm on
Wait,
my...
I gotta go. Oh, too late.
Okay,
I gotta go on this one.
So I had to go on the color this one here.
Brown, go, 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 go. I can't find a brown.
Let's go on. No!
I lost.
Gray.
Come on, Jack.
He's first.
Jack,
I gotta get second.
are you still in?
Yes. Hang on, guys.
Hey guys, we are back and we are starting the next game right now.
I'm the one running around.
Yeah, that's her. That's him, blonde hair. Okay. Oh, this one's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
This is me. My name is Rose again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this game started. Okay.
I think this is Rose. This isn't her first video in a long time. You're normal.
Yeah, in a long time. I haven't done this in forever. Okay, right.
I'm going on the most
Go. Go. I'm going on the most far one. Pink, okay. Pink. I gotta go. I just made it.
I just barely made that though.
Me too.
I just died.
No. I need you. I need you like here. I have to get second, not this dude. Can't go any farther, weirdo. No. I gotta get it. No. Hey, I got fourth at least. I'm gonna get a gear. Maybe that's how he's winning. Gravity Coil. I need 50 wins and I only have 1 win. Are you kidding me? What can I get for 1 win? Oh, pizza? What does the pizza do?
I don't know.
What does it
They
do?
just have to be weirdos. Here we go.
What does the pizza do? Oh my god,
No
let's
idea, they're
go.
just weirdos. Okay.
Go.
I'm following you, Rose.
Okay, this one.
What?
No, I lost. Ah!
I lost 2.
Speed coil. Let's see. How much? Oh, it's Robux. So
Yeah.
that's so much.
I know.
Oh my god.
I can't wait to watch back this video from your point of view. How does he always win?
Cause he has this like jump coil or something.
On other people's point of view, it looks like they're moving by themselves, right?
I know, right?
What'd I just do?
Okay, so if you guys could not hear us before, but now you can. Whatever.
Okay.
It's like not letting me move. What the heck?
Either WASD or
WAST.
or the arrows. I like to use
Oh,
the arrows.
now it's working.
Orange!
Win this! Come on! I already lost. It just kicked me out.
Kicked you out?
Yeah.
Purple.
Where are you?
He won again!
It's okay. Just go. You are in last place though, but it's the thought that counts. Okay.
Another brown.
Anyway,
Yo!
have a good day. Bye.